Discover the hidden ROI of customer experience in 2026 in this week's blog post and podcast.
Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're breaking down the hidden ROI of your customer experience. So, what's going to be the single biggest driver of your business's growth come 2026?
Spoiler, it's not your ads and it's not your pricing. It's your actual customer experience.
Let's explore why this massive shift is happening right now, creating a whole new marketing reality.
There are a few big forces at play here, especially with the rise of AI search.
But the biggest thing? The average customer's patience is just collapsed. They want things easy and now. A slow site, a clunky layout, even one bad interaction is enough to kill the sale. So let's talk about the money. How does all this actually translate into real ROI?
Because customer experience, or CX, isn't some soft metric anymore. It's a hard financial lever.
And what's really cool is how these improvements compound across the entire business. For example, just a 5% increase in keeping your customers can really boost your profits. To get those kinds of results, you have to nail the 5 layers of customer experience. This is the whole shebang, from your website speed all the way to your brand's emotional core. A lot of businesses are losing sales right here. Their digital experience just creates too much friction. And the takeaway here? Fast, clear communication isn't just good service, it's a direct revenue driver.
All right, now let's see how a great CX gives you a huge advantage with AI search. Basically, search engines now watch user behavior to see if people are happy with your site.
You can see it right here. Strong CX makes AI systems way more confident recommending your business. And for local businesses, these experience signals can actually matter more than old-school SEO stuff like backlinks.
And the most powerful part of all this, the way these benefits create a compounding advantage. It all starts with this. A great experience just naturally leads to more trust and positive reviews.
Those reviews and trust signals, they directly improve your visibility in all those search and AI engines.
And better rankings mean more traffic, which converts higher, creating a powerful growth loop for your business.
So here are a few practical things you can do right now to start capturing this ROI.
The takeaway is pretty clear. Businesses that really invest in their CX are going to win. The question is, will you?